Hello friends, today's topic is rule of inference and first order logic. Now first we understand what is tautology, and a proposition P is a tautology if it is true under all circumstances. It means it contains the only T in the final column of its truth table. Examples: suppose P implication Q, double implication, negation Q, implication negation P is a tautology. So we have to prove this with the help of truth table. So we have to make a truth table of each proposition. Now P, Q, if we have two propositions or two variables, so we have create four possible cases: true, 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 false, false, true, and false, false. Now then we have to calculate P implication Q. P implication Q means, so P is true, Q true, then P implication Q is also true. P true, Q false, then P implication Q is false. If P false, Q true, then P implication Q is true. P false, Q false, then P implication Q is true. Then negation Q means it is the reverse of P. If P is true, then if Q is true, then negation Q is false. Q is false, negation Q is true. Q is true, then negation Q is false. Then Q is false, then negation Q is true. Then negation P. Negation P is if P is true, then negation P is false. If P is true, then negation P is false. And P is false, negation P is true. P is false, then negation P is true. Now we have to calculate negation P, implication negation Q, implication negation P. So now negation Q, false, false, true, true, false, 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 true, 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 true. Now finally we have to calculate P implication Q and double implication of negation Q, implication negation P. So true, 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 true. So in the last column, all contains all true. So it is a tautology. Contradiction. A statement that is always false is known as a contradiction. Now P and negation P is a contradiction. If P is true, then negation P is false. P is false, then negation P is true. तो P and negation P क्या होगा? P true, negation P false, then false. P false or negation P is true, then P and negation P is false. So this is a contradiction. Now rules of inference in AI. What is inference? In artificial intelligence, we need intelligent computers which can create new logic from old logic or by evidence. So we have to create a system, a machine, which develop new logics with the help of old logic or evidence or knowledge. So generating the conclusion from evidence and facts is termed as inference. And what is the inference rule? Inference rules are the templates for generating valid arguments. Inference rules are applied to drive proofs in artificial intelligence, and the proofs is a sequence of the conclusion that leads to the desired goal. In inference rule, the implication among all the connective plays an important role. Some are the terminology: related to inference rule. First is implication. Implication, it is one of the logical connectives which can be represented as P implication Q. It is a Boolean expression. Converse क्या होता है? It is the converse of implication, which means the right hand side of proposition goes to the left hand side and vice versa. So then Q is Q implication P. Now contrapositive, the negation of converse is termed as contrapositive, and it can be represented as negation Q, implication, negation P. And what is inverse? The negation of implication is called inverse. The negation of implication is called inverse. It can be represented as negation P, implication, negation Q. Now this is a truth table of P and Q. We have two propositions. Now then we have four possible cases: true true, true false, false true, false false. तो P implication की Q. Now P implication Q क्या होगा? True true, true, true false, false, false true, true, and false false, true. Now Q implication P क्या होगा? Q true, true, true होगा, false true, true होगा, and true false, false होगा. अगर Q implication P में अगर P false है, Q true है, तो false होगा, और दोनों फॉल्स है तो ट्रू होगा. इसी तरह से नेगेशन क्यू, नेगेशन पी, नेगेशन क्यू इम्प्लीकेशन, नेगेशन पी, वो फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम. देन नेगेशन पी इम्प्लीकेशन, नेगेशन क्यू. तो ट्रू ट्रू, फॉल्स ट्रू, एंड ट्रू फॉल्स, ट्रू ट्रू. Now the types of inference rules. First is modus ponens, and the modus ponens rule is one of the most important rules of inference, and it states that if P and P implication Q is true, then we can infer that Q will be true. It means अगर P true है and P implication Q true है, then Q will be true. तो इसका नोटेशन हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? P implication Q, P upon therefore Q. For example, statement 1, if I am sleepy, then I go to bed. अगर मुझे नींद आ रही है, then I go to bed. तो it means P implication Q. Statement first 2 में हमने क्या किया कि I am sleepy. It implies that P, इसको हम denote किया P से, and I go to bed to denote to Q. So hence we can say that if P implication Q is true and P is true, then Q will be true. कैसे? P और Q में क्या है? P और Q 0 0 0 means false और 1 means true. तो 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. तो P implication Q क्या होगा 0 0 में? 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. अभी देखो इसमें क्या है कि 1 कि P implication Q 1 है, ये ट्रू है, P ट्रू है 1 है, then Q will be true. Now second is modus tollens. The modus tollens rule states that if P implication Q is true and negation Q is true, then negation P will also true. It can be represented as P implication Q, negation Q upon negation P. If, for example, if I am sleepy, then I go to bed. So P implication Q. Second statement, if I do not go to the bed. So negation Q. So a statement which infer that I am not sleepy, negation P. तो प्रूफ कर, तो पी क्यू निगेशन पी की टेबल क्रिएट करिए और निगेशन क्यू एंड पी इम्प्लीकेशन क्यू. तो निगेशन पी then PQ, P0, Q0, then 1, P implication Q, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. अब देखो P negation P क्या है, 1 हो जाएगा यहाँ पर, और negation Q 1 हो जाएगा, और P implication Q क्या हो रहा है, 1. इट मीन्स ये ट्रू है. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर लॉजिक इन AI. In propositional logic, we have seen that how to represent a statement using propositional logic, but unfortunately, in propositional logic, we can only represent the facts which are either true or false. Propositional logic is not sufficient to represent the complex sentence or natural language statement. The propositional logic has very limited expressive power. Consider the following sentence, like some humans are intelligent or Sachin like cricket. So to represent the above statement, propositional logic is not sufficient. So we require some more powerful logic, okay, such as first order logic. First order logic is another way of knowledge representation in artificial intelligence. It is an extension of propositional logic. First order logic is sufficiently expressive to represent the natural language statement in a concise way. First order logic is also known as predicate logic or first order predicate logic. First order logic is a powerful language that develops information about the objects in a more easy way and can also express the relationship between those objects. First order logic, like natural language, does not only assume that the world contains facts like propositional logic, but also assume the following things in the world. What is object? Object like होते हैं कि A, B, people, numbers, colors, walls, theories, squares, etc. And relation, it can be unary relation such as red, round, is adjacent, or any relation such as the sister of, brother of, has color, comes between. These are the relations. And functions, father of, best friend, third inning of, end of, etc. like that. As a natural language, first order logic is also two main parts. First is syntax, second is semantics. So syntax of first order logic, the syntax of first order logic determine which collection of symbols is a logical expression. In first order logic, the basic syntactic elements of first order logic are symbols. Now we write the statement in shorthand notation. In just like the variable constant 1, 2, A, John, Mumbai, cat, etc. Variables X, Y, Z, A, B, कुछ भी आप mention कर सकते हो. A to Z. Predicates brother, father, greater than, less than. Function square, left, leg of, connectives, and or negation, implication, double implication, equality, quantifiers, universal, and existential quantifier. And atomic sentence क्या होता है? Atomic sentence are the most basic sentence of first order logic. These sentences are formed from a predicate symbol followed by a parenthesis with a sequence of terms. We can represent atomic sentence as a predicate. ठीक है, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल रवि एंड अजय आर ब्रदर, तो ब्रदर क्या होंगे? ब्रदर्स रवि कोमा अजय. हम इस वे में इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. Complex sentences are made by combining atomic sentences using connectives. First order logic statement can be divided into two parts. Subject is the main part of the statement. ठीक है, किसी उसका सेंटेंस का टू पार्ट्स में होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज सब्जेक्ट, सेकंड इज प्रेडिकेट. तो सब्जेक्ट इज द मेन पार्ट ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट and predicate it can be defined as a relation which binds two atoms together in a statement. just like x is an integer, so x is a subject and is an integer is a predicate. Okay, thank you.